Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video, I will show you how to define and read URL parameters in Ruby on Rails. So let's get started. So basically like query parameters which are present after the question mark symbol inside a URL of a web page. So as usual, I have just created a basic Ruby on Rails application. I haven't done anything. Next, we need to create a controller. So for that, I will just write the particular command. Now, my setup of Ruby on Rails is a little bit finicky. That's why every time I need to run something, inside Ruby on Rails, I have to add this RBENV exec. But if you have set Ruby on Rails correctly, you don't need to add this RBENV exec. You can directly start writing from Rails. Generate, we'll generate one controller and we'll give a name it as main. You can name it whatever you feel like, and this particular controller will have two pages, an index page as well as an about page. So I'll just generate that and it should create some files for us. Okay, let it do its thing. So it has created this. Then what we'll have to do is we just have to go to the config. We have to go to routes.rb, and here we just have to first so here you can see it has added this main index and main about, but we need to tell what should be the starting point for our application as soon as we start our server. Otherwise we get the default Ruby on Rails page, which is not what I want. So I can just write root main hashtag index. So this will basically create the starting point for our application. Then what I can do is just go to app views main, and here I can just go to index.html.erb. if you want you can remove this. I don't want this. I just want a hyperlink to the about page. So I can do something like this, link underscore to. Okay, and here I will just write about, and here we can don't need to write the controller because the about page is in the same main controller as that of the index page. So we can directly write something like this: action colon what was the page, about page. Okay, I will add one comma, and what all parameters I want are like after the question mark. So suppose I want a message, hello world, and I also want an index id. So if I want, I can pass an id, something like this. And if you want, you can just add a break tag as well at the end. All right, then what we have to do is just go to app controllers main controller.rb, and here you can see this index and about page was created automatically for us by the command which we ran. Then inside our about page we can just fetch those data. So you can write id equal to params colon id, something like this, and name not name what we were passing message, right? So sometimes this AI intelligence is really bad. So here you can see this is the message. Now there is another way of fetching the message as well. You can either use this params params bracket colon id or whatever is the name, or you can use something like this. You can just remove this colon, take double quotes and pass your message. And given that this id is in string format, you can just for safety sake you can also do to integer, convert it to integer. Okay, now you can just go to your about page, about.html.erb, and I will just again remove this, and I want to display whatever we are getting. So I can just do something like this id. Okay, then this particular Ruby syntax, and I can just do id. All right, then I can add a break tag as well. Then I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Then instead of this I can just write message, and here I can just write msg message as well. Alright, now to run the application I can just run this particular command bin/rails space server, and it should start our application on port 3000. So let's just wait, takes a bit to boot up. So here you can see it has booted up. Now if I want, I can simply go to port 3000 and refresh this page. So here you can see this is our about hyperlink, and if I click on it, you can see in the URL for about page I'm getting the ID as well as the message hello world. So ID equal to 20, message equal to hello world, that is getting displayed inside our HTML page as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.